before Kamuna gina attack 30 naira, we buy an attack 100 naira. It's a cigar on a fence. Wait, let me remove this thing and come and catch you there. Come on, collect your PVC and I may have. Is there any job like a professional housewife? 400 naira per liter. So go and collect your PVC. Work. So it's the first day of work, and I'm grudgingly going to work because is there any job like a professional housewife? Because this life is what we live in, but we're grateful to God for His mercies and expecting this new year. We ask God for favor, we ask God for blessings, above all for journey mercies, for safety, for protection, and for clients. So yeah, I'm just on my way to work. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so just a bit of a rant. So before Christmas, if you remember my video, I had said that fuel was being sold at 230, 250 in some places. Guess how much is today? Today is the 5th of January 2023. Here in Owerri, Imo State, fuel is being sold at 400 naira per liter. Not black market, like from a normal fuel station, 400 per liter. And then you begin to wonder that, like, how are people surviving? One egg is being sold at 100 naira, and then more. And what's annoying me now is the fact that it's not being sold for the same price in other areas, right? I hear that Lagos is still selling at 2 something, 1 something, and even Abuja in some places, right? So why is it different here? I haven't bought from NNPC in recent times because you can actually imagine the queue that will be there. So I don't know how much NNPC itself they're selling, but I don't know, guys. I really do not understand what's going on anymore. But all I have to say is let's get it right this time around. Get your PVCs. Let's get this thing right. Because how can we be selling fuel for 400 naira? I know that they said inflation and all that, but how are people going to survive? And it's just 1st of January, and we all know, like, we literally all know how bad January gets in terms of finances, as per expenses and all that. One of the most annoying things is coming to court, and then the court either is not going to sit or something of that nature. Just tired. So, how you guys doing today? Today is a Friday, and I'm at work. We just finished our strategy meeting for the year. I'm super pumped for this year and hopeful. And yeah, we hope that this year is better than we want it to be, and hope to God that everything goes as planned. Yeah. So I'm off for another meeting again. So I'll see you guys once I'm done with my meeting. Everybody is there. Yo, Baba. Huh? Everybody's back. No, everybody is there. Guys. I'm here to pick up my PVC, right? So now I got to where I did my registration, and then they said that they had moved it to the wards, so we should come to the wards. I don't know, it's more like from there now I had to come here. A lot of people will be discouraged to do this thing, but I mean, we'll just have to keep in doing the work, because if we don't even do it at this point, things are going to get crazier by the day and stuff. So yeah, we're here now to pick up our PVC and ensure that we get our um the power to vote, because without your PVC in Nigeria, you can't actually vote, regardless whether you're eligible or not. In fact, you're not even eligible except you have a voter's card to vote. So even if you've reached the age of voting and you don't have a voter's card, you can't vote. So this is just an outcry to everyone: go get your PVCs and vote. Ensure that you do your part, and then let God do the rest. I'm so pumped about this whole voting process. This is actually my first time since I turned 18 to vote, and I'm hell bent on putting it into good use, hoping and praying that my candidate actually wins the election. So let's go pick up the PVC. Let's try again. Turn out of people. Hello. Go and collect your PVC before Kamuna gina attack 30 naira, buy an attack 100 naira. Just see on a fence. Wait, let me remove this thing and come and catch you there. Come on, collect your PVC and I may have. What is it? Do you know the last time I bought egg for 30 naira was how many years ago? Now one egg is sold for 100 naira. Fuel is at how much? How much did I buy for the other day? And you think that this is the year to sit on the fence? Even if you feel your candidate will not win, do your part first. Do your part. Go get your PVCs and vote. Vote first and leave the rest to God. Go and get your PVC. Best workout of the year, and I'm super pumped to do this. So I'm ready to go play my lawn tennis now, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Back court. So I'm back to play tennis ball. This is the first time I'm playing in January 2023, obviously. So I'm going to show you guys what I get up to. So, oh my god, it's crazy. Like I'm done with my own session basically. So I decided to go join the people playing basketball, to play basketball for the very first time in my life, and I actually was amazed at how much I was able to do and how well I was able to do whatever I was doing there at the point, and it was really amazing. Like I felt really good at the end of the day. I was just trying to exercise in it. So yeah, it was good. It was amazing. So I'll see you guys later. Welcome to the project supervisory angle of the brand, Z On Demand. The purpose of this aspect of the brand is to bring you supervisory services and bring you to speed on the latest developments on your project. It doesn't even matter if the land is recently acquired, we can get you pictures and videos before you make your payments. This aspect of the brand is best suited for everyone, especially our clients who are in diaspora. We know how hard you work there, and it's only fair that you get your money's worth, especially when you send them to your relatives to help you acquire properties or even build for you. Gone are the days when they rip you of your money. With us, what you see is what you get. No mago mago. Now, all you need to do is give us a pointer, pay in full, and you get your videos in the next 48 hours.